What's up, everybody? It's King Malcolm back with another video. It's been a while. Missed you guys. It's been a long time since I made a video. If you looked at the title before you got here, you know what we're doing today. We are gonna DIY bleach dye our own t-shirts. Acid wash, if you will. Something that I like. I've actually done one. I don't know where it is. If you guys, I think, yeah. Now this has turned into a vlog. We're traveling. I think I washed it. So I'm kicking stuff. I'm leaving all of this in the video. Okay, it's not in here. I thought it was in the laundry room. I washed it. No, I didn't. I didn't wash it. I lied. It's with the dirty clothes. Not that one. So, I've done one before. Let me sit you guys down. So, I've done one before, and it looks like this. So we're gonna do that today, but just like a little bit better. I need something else to prop you guys on. This is looking a little low. I'm not even about to show you what I grabbed. Some of my card bags. Am I an alcoholic? The world may never know. But today we're gonna do that. The first shirt we've got here is, okay, it's not going my day. It's not going my way so far. It's this WWE Street Profits We Want the Smoke shirt. I like this shirt a lot. It gives me like 2000s throwback rapper merch. It's the vibe I get from, maybe if I hang it up. Huh. I figured it out. So that's what we're gonna do today. So I got a bottle with some bleach and a little bit of water, a touch of water. A touch. Hello. This angle's really unflattering. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna spray it up. Can we see from this angle here? So okay, it'll also help if we turn it on. You're probably supposed to wear gloves while you do this, but I'm not. I just got on a shirt that like I don't mind getting messed up. So we're just gonna spray it. Yeah, probably should have worn gloves. And you can see it slowly starting to turn a little bit. And then we're just going to flip it. I think this only sprays one way. Yes, it does. So you see we're just spraying it on. And nowhere in particular. No particular order. Let's see. This is what our front is looking like. So we did this one this way. The way that I want to do it. We're gonna let that hang out over here. And then we got this shirt here that I think I'm gonna do the other way. So we're gonna go on another field trip to the laundry room. And I'm gonna, it's darker in here, so I hope y'all can see. We are gonna do this the way that you're probably supposed to. Yeah, it's darker in here. Hold on, boys and girls. Alright, let me get everything set up and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm back. And in the sink here, I don't know if you can see it very well, but we've got our shirt. And it's scrunched up. We're going to do this one more tie-dye style. So we're just going to spray. In certain areas. Like so, like that. Because that's our business. And then we're going to flip it. Like that, and do our back side. So here is what this one looks like done on the front, like so. So now we are gonna go grab the other one so we can rinse them off. Oh, rinse them off. Because apparently, that's what you're supposed to do. This one is very more like acid washing. So, I dig it. I dig it. Yeah, this is, oh my God. Like, my nephews were here a couple weeks ago, and I keep stepping on stuff they left out. So let me get this set up again and I'll be right back. This exit is going to have to be real quick because my camera died and this battery that I got in is also about to die. So I'm letting the shirts air dry. This is what they look like right now. Stay tuned to my Instagram tomorrow. By the time the video is uploaded, these shirts should be dry. So stay on the look. Alright, you guys, I had 2 batteries die trying to film this outro. But if you guys want to see more DIYs like this, leave a comment down below. Make sure you always like, comment, share, subscribe if you're new. What's up if you're new? Tell a friend or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. I'm rushing because I gotta get this done before my battery dies again. But make sure you stay tuned to my Instagram, which is King Malcolm 14, I believe. Yes, I don't know my own Instagram name. Yes, King Malcolm 14 on Instagram. It's will be linked in the description of this video. Make sure you go follow me to see the end result of those shirts. And as always, peace and love, and I will see you guys next time.